people think.
Take 45. Rowan.
I roll.
And I'm Derek with Limited Edition Reviews.
What is it?
Today we are doing Sam's Club, or Members Mark, Nashville style hot chicken flavored crinkle cut kettle potato chips. Say that 5 times fast.
Can I open it?
Nashville style hot chicken flavored crinkle cut kettle potato chips.
Can I smell? What's that potato smell? I think I can really love it. Give me some. Give me some. Give me some.
Grab a couple. That's more than a couple. Hold on, grab another one. You want to grab it? Here.
Tastes yummy. I need to taste that chip.
Hold on, Earth.
This is not really spicy. Is this trash?
Is it what?
It's trash. It's trash.
You think the chips are
Some
trash?
water. Yeah, when I eat them, they taste like trash.
Have you eaten trash before, Trenton? So, it's one of the most unusual tasting like hot chips I've ever tried. There's this weird aftertaste that I couldn't shake. I gotta give this one a 4 out of 10.
I give this out of 1 to 10.
1 out of 10? You don't like it?
Yeah.
Trenton likes it.
I like some of it. I never taste the skin. I do.
Yeah, I just don't know how to put it. Like, there's just this weird, a little bit of spicy aftertaste that it's hard to shake, and because of that, I mean, I gotta give this one a 4 out of 10. Hold on, guys. So I gotta give it a 4 out of 10, and it has a little bit of heat to it, but not much. Like that, it's like a 3 out of 10 on the heat factor, but flavor-wise, it's a 4 out of 10 for me. So I don't like it that much.
I really love the rest of it. I don't love 1 to 10.
So Trenton loved it. What was your score?
What if you kind of love it?
Like 7 out of 10.
I give it a 7 out of 10.
There you go. So that's pretty low ranked. That's unfortunate. I guess sometimes you win, sometimes you kind of lose when you buy the off-brand chips. So on this one's a loss for sure. Oh well, still fun to try. Rowan, you're up.
I score this a lot more. Like and subscribe.
Thanks for watching, and don't forget to like and subscribe.
Thanks for watching and like and subscribe.
Leave a comment.
Leave a comment.